Hello friends, I am Pranita Seshni, the students of Basic Training Center. Today I am here with you to discuss the urinary system of the human system. The urinary system, also known as the renal system, plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's fluid balance, filtering the waste from the blood, and regulating the electrolyte concentration. It consists of several key organs that work together to remove the waste products from the body, to remove the waste product from the body in the form of urine. The primary components of the urinary system include the kidney, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. First of all, the kidney. The kidney are two bean-shaped organ, and it is located just below the rib cage on the either side of the spine. The primary function to filter the blood and remove the waste products, excess water and other substances. The blood enters like kidney through the renal arteries, where it is filtered by the million tiny structures called as nephrons. Each nephron consists of a glomerulus and small network of the capillaries where filtration begins. Then next is the filter blood passes through the nephrons tubules, where the substance like water, ions and nutrients are reabsorbed back into the bloodstream or secreted in the forming the urine depending on the body's needs. And the kidney also regulate the blood pressure through the renin angiotensin system, red blood cell production by secreting the hormone erythropoietin and maintain the acid base balance. Then next is the ureters. The ureters are two narrow tubes that carry the urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Each kidney is connected to the bladder by one ureter. The flow of urine from the kidneys to the bladder is aided by the peristaltic movements, wake like contractions of smooth muscles in the wall of the ureters. And the next is the bladder. The bladder is a muscular hollow organ located in the pelvis. It acts as a temporary storage site of the urine. The bladder can expand and hold approximately 400 to 600 milliliters of the urine before the urge to urinate is trigage. The walls of the bladder contain the destressor muscles which contract to expel the urine during the urination. Then next is the strange receptors in the bladder wall and signals to the brain when it is full, initiating the urge to urinate. And next is the urethra. The urethra is a tube that connects the bladder to the outside of the body. The length and function of the urethra differ between males and females. In males, the urethra is long about 20 centimeter and passes through the prostate gland and penis. It carries both urine and semen. In females, the urethra is shortened about 4 centimeter and is located above the vaginal opening and serving only as a passage of the urine. Then next is the sphincters control the release of urine from the bladder into the urethra. The internal sphincter is involuntary while the external sphincter is the voluntary control. Then the next are the functions of the urinary system. In that excretion of the waste means one of the primary function of the urinary system is to remove the metabolic waste products from the bloodstream, including urea, like protein metabolism, creatine from the muscle metabolism, and other nitrogenous waste. The next function is the regulation of blood of the blood volume and pressure. The kidney regulate the blood volume by controlling how much water is reabsorbed back into the bloodstream or excreted in the urine. Then they secrete the enzyme renin, which activates the renin angiotensin aldosterone system, that is RAS system, that helps to regulate the blood pressure. The next function is the electrolyte balance. The kidney play a vital role in the maintaining the electrolyte balance by adjusting the levels of ions such as sodium, potassium and calcium in the blood. It helps in the proper functioning of the muscles and nerve. And next function is the acid base balance and the hormone production. In the hormone production, the kidney produce the hormones such as erythropoietin, which stimulate the red blood cell formation in the bone marrow, and calciferol, the active form of the vitamin D, which helps to regulate the calcium levels in the blood. The urinary system also includes the function of the detoxification. In that detoxifying the harmful substances and the drugs. I think it is clear to everyone what is the urinary systems and the functions of the urinary systems. Thank you for listening me. Thank you, friends.